So what we're going to do is we're going to show a little bit about this. And this is Soul Sound Magic. It is one earbud. You come with one earbud and extra ones, and you come with this cord. Now, first you have to know that you are, it's already charged, but I suggest you charge it before you take it for the real long test drive, you know, on the train. That's what most people do in Chicagoland area. Or on the bus, where you just cancel everything out. It is one bud, so I will say this, it's really loud, so I don't think you'll have to worry about it canceling out all the other noise. It works really well for both listening to phone calls, but obviously you're going to need your phone for the outward part. Inward you can hear it perfectly well. Sounds, everything else, I wouldn't say it's stereo, but I wouldn't say surround sound-esque kind of noise. What you're going to do is you're going to turn this on by pushing it right here. This is only for Android. With iPhone, since I don't have an iPhone, you're going to have to look it up. But I basically believe with Bluetooth, it's basically easy. You're going to do a smart search. It's probably the fastest on S9. You just smart search. It's going to come up. You don't need a password. You just click on it, pair, and that's it. It literally took me a minute to get it done, and it was really fast and really good. I really like these kinds of buds. I'm a kind of a fan because I do go to the gym, so having buds that last a really long time is really important, and this seems to last pretty long. I will say charge, and since it has a plug that's really, as you can see, it's a plug that many of you already have, so it'll be really easy to just plug everything up. You probably already have a plug. You know, once you're finished with your cell phone, you plug this up, or you're driving to a destination, you plug this up really quick while you're doing things in the morning, and as soon as you get everything done, he'll be ready to go. It was it wasn't expensive at all, and I would suggest just trying this out. All right, bye.